To start the beanie, cast on 44 stitches. I'm using the long tail cast on method, and if you need a wee refresher, I do have a video tutorial that goes a little bit slower than this. So when we cast on 44 stitches, it's time to join it in the round. But before we start knitting, we are going to take a marker and slip it onto the needle. This denotes the start and the end of a round. So now we're ready to knit. We are careful not to twist the knitting. We need to have the cast on edge kind of lying on the inside of our needles. So let's get started. Each round from now on is the same, so we do knit 2 and then purl 2. And we repeat that to the end, so knit 2 and purl 2. So when you get to the end of the round, you take your marker, slip it over to the right hand needle, and then you just do the same thing again. So knit 2 and purl 2. And knit 2, purl 2. And you do that all the way to the end, and you just repeat this round until the hat measures 18 centimeters if you don't want a fold up brim, or 26 centimeters if you want a fold up brim. So now we've reached 18 centimeters and it's time to shape the crown. So the first round of shaping the crown of the beanie is a repeat of knit 2 and purl 2 together. You repeat that to the end, so knit 2 and purl 2 together. Second round of the crown is a repeat of knit 2 and purl 1, and you repeat that to the end of this round, so knit 2, purl 1. The third and final round of the crown is a repeat of knit 2 together and purl 1, and you'll repeat that to the end of this round. So again, knit 2 together and purl 1. So when you're finished with the last round, you remove your marker and you take a pair of scissors and you snip the end of your yarn. Strand that on a wool needle and you just kind of slip your stitches over onto that wool needle. So when you got all the way around with your wool needle, just pull the yarn through and you tighten up the top of your hat, and we're going to sew in the ends of the yarn. Just kind of pop it through, pop it through and weave in the ends. Just weave them in the way you like to weave them in.